We all want to grow and improve. Our joy in life is in growing. If we do not grow constantly, we become extinct. Growth is exciting. We feel ecstatic when we grow out of our challenges. What makes us grow are the decisions to improve our lives. It is decisions that change our lives. We all know that there are times in our life when we felt stuck, frustrated, or overwhelmed. Or maybe you were trying to change something, and there's something inside you that snaps. And finally you take that big step or take a major decision to make that change. That's a bold move. There are moments in life that give us meaning. We can call them realization moments. These moments teach us something unique and useful. It is like having a glimpse of truth, a revelation to a life's mission. Call it a vocation for life, a moment of awakening to a larger purpose than your existence. There are many moments like these, defining moments that have the power to transform your life.